Are you looking for ways to increase the visibility of your business online? One great strategy is to take advantage of local directories and use the data from them as an effective tool to boost your SEO strategies. With so many potential new customers now searching for products and services in their local area, leveraging a directory like ours can prove to be an incredibly powerful one-way part of increasing your online presence and helping more people find out about what you offer. In this video, we'll explore how using data from our local directory can help grow your brand, generate leads, improve lead-to-customer conversions, strengthen customer relationships, and ultimately increase overall website performance. Local directories play a crucial role in your company SEO strategy. These platforms are digital databases that hold information about businesses in specific geographical locations. Listing your business on local directories increases its visibility to potential customers who are looking for goods and services within the area. In other words, it helps you attract localized traffic to your business website. Several factors make local directories important for your company SEO strategy. Firstly, these platforms provide relevant backlinks to your company website, which Google considers as an essential ranking factor. The more backlinks from authoritative sites pointing to a link on your company site, the more likely you will rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. Secondly, listing your business on local directories boosts online reputation management by providing accurate and up-to-date information about your company's name, address, and contact details, NAP. This consistency improves your business credibility with both customers and search engines alike. Small and local businesses are often overlooked in the vast world of online marketing. With the advent of local SEO, however, local people say they now have a fighting chance against their larger competitors. Local SEO is the process of optimizing a business website to rank higher in local search engine results, thereby increasing traffic and visibility in a business-specific geographic area. Local directories, like Yelp or Google My Business, play a crucial role in boosting local SEO. By listing accurate and consistent information about the local business name, such as address and phone number, local directories help search engines verify the local business name's existence and location. This, in turn, increases the local business name's chances of appearing in relevant local searches. The benefits of local SEO are numerous: increased online visibility, higher website traffic, and ultimately, more customers. By taking advantage of local directories and optimizing content on their website for local search, small businesses can effectively level the playing field and compete with larger companies online. When it comes to finding local businesses and services, local directories can be an invaluable resource. But with so many choices out there, how do you determine which one is the best fit for your needs? First, consider the popularity of the directory. Do people in your coverage area actually use it? Then, think about the criteria that matter most to you. Are you looking for a directory with robust search capabilities, more listings, or one that's easy to navigate? Finally, consider your own business. What industry or category of services are you in, and what local directories are other businesses and services in your field using successfully? By taking these factors into account, you'll be able to find the right local directory, the best place to connect with the customers you need. In today's digital world, having a complete and accurate local directory listing is more important than ever. Not only does it help your business show up in search results, but it also provides potential customers with essential information about your business. To optimize your listing for SEO, for example, there are a few tips to keep in mind. First, including relevant keywords in your listing can significantly boost your business visibility. Secondly, don't skimp on using high-quality images and videos, as they make your business seem more trustworthy and professional. Encouraging customer reviews is another powerful tool to drive engagement with your listing. Lastly, ensuring that all the information provided is accurate and consistent can help to establish trust with potential customers. Overall, adopting these best practices for managing your local directory listing can take your business to the next level. As businesses aim to boost their online presence, leveraging local directory listings play an important role in optimizing their website for search engines. The key to using local directories effectively is knowing how to optimize and manage your listings to ensure they deliver maximum exposure for your business. By including relevant keywords and ensuring consistency across all your listings, your business can rank higher in search engine results, ultimately resulting in increased online visibility and traffic. Additionally, optimizing your website for local search involves creating content that is specific to your location, locale, service area, and industry while ensuring that your site is mobile friendly. Many businesses have successfully leveraged local directories, appearing at the top of search results for their targeted keywords. By dedicating time to optimize your local directory listings and website, your business and team can make a significant impact on your SEO efforts. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for any business. That's where local directories come into play, providing an excellent opportunity for businesses to increase their visibility and attract potential customers. However, simply being listed on a local directory is not enough. It is crucial to track, measure, and analyze feedback on your performance regularly to understand how effective your efforts have been in attracting traffic, generating leads, and ultimately driving conversions. By utilizing the right tools and measuring the right metrics, you can gain insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to optimize and manage your local directory to enhance your performance and grow your business. Don't get left behind, stay ahead of the curve by tracking your local directory performance today. In conclusion, local directories can be an invaluable part of an effective SEO strategy when chosen and optimized correctly. With a measured and managed approach to leveraging local directories for SEO, you can increase your organic search ranking and drive traffic to your shop or website from potential customers in your area. Businesses should move quickly to take advantage of the opportunities that local directories provide for boosting their SEO visibility and customer base. Now is the time to decide to get started with utilizing local directory listings as a powerful strategy for getting found online. So, what are you waiting for? Start assessing and optimizing your local directory listing today.